Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is msmetics. Today's video is about soft glam makeup tutorial for the owner of this brown beauty by Jones. Yes, now she gets the eyeliner, now she get the lipstick, now she produce them. If you want to see how this soft glam was achieved, then keep watching. Hey loves, welcome back. This is the original face, the owner, the CEO of Beauty by Jones lip stain, Beauty by Jones brown. I'll be showing you how to use her products. She have one of the best eyeliner and one of the best lipstick you would ever want to invest in. So moving on, please do well to subscribe to my channel, and of course, for a full makeup glam and for your soft glam, your skin prep is very important. So I started off by cleansing the face properly using a micellar cleansing water, and then moving on to applying my serum, my moisturizer, and then my primer. Is important for you to prime the face properly before applying your makeup products. And she have a oily skin, so a mattifying primer is that, which is very important and very compulsory when making up the oily skin. If you are new on this channel, I am one that usually makes 2 to 3 shades of foundation. I do not believe that one particular shade will ever be my perfect shade or my client's perfect shade. So I mix 3 different foundation here, and it's compulsory for me to use Loreal Match because it's lightweight to mix. And then the 2 main foundation are NARS and Huda Beauty, NARS Radiant Foundation and Huda Beauty Foundation. And of course, I like to place the foundation on the skin first before blending. While blending, I finish on one section before moving to another section. You can see that I was able to use foundation to cover that spot, those spots over there, without even using a corrector and a concealer. So it's important for you to know the perfect shade of foundation. Another important tip you should know is do what works for you. For me, I start off blending of foundation using a brush, and then I go in with a soft beauty blender from Glam Cosmetics to blend. I go in with a concealer, and for concealer I started off with a Nigerian brown concealer called Nuban Beauty, and then I applied that on the upper part of her face because part of this soft glam, this is not just a soft glam, it's a detailed one. I tend to uplift the outer corner of her face, okay? And then I went in with Zickel concealer. You can see that this Zickel concealer in the shade Nude suits her skin. It just calmed down the initial concealer. It's important that you allow your concealer to sit on the skin for some minutes before applying any other product or before blending your concealer. For contour, I use a shade of foundation darker than her skin tone. I didn't go for 2 shades darker, I went for just 1 shade darker. That's why you're seeing that her contour is not that black, it's not that dark, but it's just warm on her skin. I'm not a fan of dark contour, okay? So that's just what I'm doing. Basically, I applied a contour on the template, on her forehead, on her zygomatic bone, and presently on her nose. And now it's time for the blush. You can see that the concealer is still there. Concealer is still there because I need it to marinate and sit on the skin before blending. So I'm just doing a final touch up, a final blending on the blush application. The excess on the brush, I took it to the forehead, and now it's time for my highlight proper, okay? It's the lighting that is making it look as if the highlight is much. On this particular client's friend and brand owner, I made a highlight to be soft, okay, because the look I was going for my god, oh god, noisy. What's so noisy? As I was saying. So now I don't blend, I can't use beauty blender the blend. I now apply the Kiss Beauty setting spray. I'm not actually a big fan of it, but I tried it on this day and I like it. And then I'm going to blend all of that See the skin finish, see the skin blend, see the skin work. Tell me you don't like what you are seeing. See, let me tell you something. For a proper soft glam to be achieved, you need to blend your makeup properly, especially when it comes to your skin. Blend it properly. And in skin, what consists of skin is your skin prep, your foundation, your highlights, your contour. Blending is key, especially if you want a soft glam as this one. See the corner of her eyes, how I uplifted it, and how her face now have a structure. And then it was time for setting. I set with a powder, and then for powder I set with the milani powder. There's something very unique about that powder that people don't know about. See, let me advise you on this video, try to get yourself milani powder, especially in the shade deep, warm and medium. These three shades of powder called milani, a better powder. I don't feel people are talking about it enough. I've been using milani powder for years and I have no regret using milani powder. Okay, and then this brush that I'm using to blend is Vicabel blending brush, Vicabel set of brush. And then I went in with my MAC powder to just blend under the eyes properly. Guys, the essence of this razor blade sheet by the corner of eyes is to further uplift our eyes and give it a proper structure. So I just place the eyeshadow, matte eyeshadow brown shade on our eyes, and then before going in with another light orange shade of eyeshadow from the Juvia's Place palette. One thing is sure, for a dark skin you can never go wrong with a light orange eyeshadow. Remember, it's very important for you to place a matte eyeshadow on the eyes before blending. And then I went in with a yellow shade of eyeshadow. By this time I asked her if she's okay with the look I was creating, and that is a brown mirror she was holding. I had to ask her because, trust me, like I always say on this channel, I really do not have a particular eye look that I do recreate. I just go with the flow, go with the outfit that the client is putting on, or I just ask the client what she wants, and she said she wanted a soft glam, something not regular that we usually do, something different. And trust me, when I was done, this makeup was mind-blowing. Okay, and as you can see, the yellow tone eyeshadow that I placed is actually worth it. It's nice. And then that yellow tone eyeshadow is from a Nigerian brown palette of eyeshadow, which is the Blossom eyeshadow palette. Blending, every professional makeup artist, every pro makeup artist knows that it's important to blend. So I went in with a bit of a dark shade of eyeshadow to just place in the outer corner of the eyes, just to further enhance our eye look. Guys, this is one stunning eye look that I loved. As in, I loved the outcome, I loved the finishing, I loved the color placement. And then it was time for my brows. As for my brows, I went in with a gel liner to just outcome. You know, now my brows, I just fast forward this process. If you want to see a detailed eyebrow tutorial, just let me know in the comment section, and I think it's time to show you in a separate video how I usually detailed my brows, sculpt my brows. But then again, trust me, I usually follow the person's face structure, because not be me get face. I fit do the brows, the person no go like them, so I'll ask what kind of brow the person like, or if the person trusts my judgment. For this look, this friend of mine actually trusts my judgment. She was like, just do you. I love the way I am looking. The eyes look so different and beautiful. I love it. You can see how I was able to achieve this eyeshadow application. Trust me, it's something easy, something you can try out, no regrets. And then I asked her to open up her eyes, and then I further used the remaining concealer on my brow bone to apply under the eyeliner. Then blend, went back to my brow bone, use my lavender powder to just further blend the eye and the brow bone properly. As she's looking at her phone, because this woman is very busy, this is another workaholic who won't give her word. So as she's working on her phone looking downward, you can see that the eyes is breathtaking. Like, this eyeshadow look, nothing beats it. It's actually very beautiful, and you can see that it's soft, which brings us back to achieving a flawless soft glam. Okay, this is all you need to do. Very important. Follow each step and each routine to achieve a flawless soft eye makeup and soft glam. Okay, so this is just all about blend to perfection, blend till you are comfortable with what you have. So guys, as you can see, I'm done for the eye look, and then I went in with my Fenty Beauty highlighter in How Many Carat and Candy Cognac. I always mix both shades together because it's always stunning. Okay, time to use Odogu product for Odogu. Yeah, she's the owner of the brand Beauty by Jones eyeliner. So it's so interesting and it feels so beautiful using a product that she produced on her. Tell me you don't like this eyeliner. It's precise, it's black, it's dark. The tip of the pen is tiny and it goes to all areas. No mistake with this liner. Like, I need to zoom into the eyes. I will look me again. Ah, she are looking all beautiful. This eyeliner is very pigmented, it doesn't smudge, it's sweat proof, and you can see it's very black. And then next is this eye mascara. Okay, this is also produced by Beauty by Jones. Okay, so you can get a eyeliner, a mascara. She also have a brow pencil. All these products are available on our website that I will drop on my description box, and also available on our Instagram handle. And then I went in with my Fenty Beauty Glow again, just to apply on the tip of the nose. I hope you all are enjoying this soft glam makeup tutorial, because I enjoyed every bit of this glam. Okay, it was an interesting section. See how she's glowing, she's feeling herself. See skin work. Tell me you don't like what you're saying. And then lastly, Jare, still on Beauty by Jones, the one and only shade in Mamus. You know now, my name na Mamus. Why I no go love this lip liner? Eh? Go another use. Just say you want to order Beauty by Jones in the shade Mamus. See how I just used it to line a lip and it's looking all beautiful already. And then I went in with a matte shade before going in with this lip gloss. This recent lip gloss from Beauty by Jones is a lip plumber. It has a very nice scent and fragrance that you will love. Like, you could just lick your lip like saying as sweet. Okay, and then I went in with my fixing spray to further lock up everything. This fixing spray is from So Pro Cosmetics. I trust you enjoyed every process on this video. Please do well to like, share, comment and subscribe. Please do well to follow me on my two Instagram handle, Makeup by Vivian Crystal and Mamus Ati on Instagram. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often, and bye guys.